Hey, what's up guys? Joe here with another episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today, I want to go over microfiber towels. Now, it can be overwhelming when you see as many towels as we carry, but I want to go ahead and break down why we carry so many towels, the different types of towels, and what towel you would use for which purpose. So like I was saying, you have different types of towels which work out differently on different occasions on your vehicle. So today I'm going to go ahead and break down why you would use these different types of towels on these different parts of your vehicle so that you maximize your efficiency, possibly use less towels and just make the overall best use of them. So the first towel that I want to go over is your standard drying towel. My personal favorite is the Woolly Mammoth. The Woolly Mammoth is a thick, ultra plush microfiber towel that does amazing at drying your vehicle and soaks up to a whole gallon of water. So imagine a thick beast like this drying the entire vehicle, it'll do it in seconds. So the reason I like using this towel and the reason I usually use a thicker, bigger towel is because I see often, people using small towels to dry their vehicle, and I see them, doing so many parts of the vehicle. They come back, they have to wring it out, and it's just very inconvenient. So with something like this, you have this thick towel so that you don't have to go back and forth wringing it out. So with one towel, you can simply dry your entire vehicle without having to worry about that and not have to worry about any kind of, extra towels you have to wash, carry with you, have in your car, and making it, a burden to carry around. With the Woolly Mammoth, you have this super soft, surface that's gonna go ahead and just glide over the paint of your vehicle without, causing any scratching, swirls. So having this nice thick ply of microfiber is definitely gonna help you out in the long run so that you're not installing any scratches and swirls, especially, if you're not using the 2-bucket method and there's a potential that there's still dirt and grime left over on your vehicle. So having a nice soft and plush towel is gonna help those microfibers kind of grab any kind of like grime that's still on the paint and pick up all that water that's on there so that you have a nice squeaky clean finish. Another key feature is that you have a nice soak line edging all around the towel. This soak line edging pretty much helps you out so that the edges, when you're drying your towels, they don't ever get heated up and burnt up and makes them hard, which could potentially scratch your vehicle. Also, it's a nice soft material. So just like the towel itself, the edgings are extremely soft, so it's just gonna glide over your paint without harming the paint and without scratching or swirling. So next on the list, we have your finishing towels. And what's a detail without a happy ending? So that's why I love using the happy ending towels for that nice finishing touch, that cherry on top after your entire detail, to go ahead and use with any kind of quick detail sprays, spray waxes, anything that's instant. So something that you can spray on the car and wipe it right off with a nice soft microfiber towel. Another reason I like these happy ending towels is because they don't have any edgings, which means that when you're wiping your car down, if you have any light dust, debris, as far as like a maintenance, if you're using it with a quick detailer such as like speed wipe or synthetic, then it's not gonna pick up any grime alongst the edges, which can potentially drag over the paint and scratch up your paintwork. So therefore, that makes it great for using it with the quick detail spray, having that nice final wipe down and buffing off any excess wax or sealants that are on the paint. Last of which, you have these happy ending towels that come in a variety of colors. You have green, you have blue, you have purple, black, and red, I believe. So that gives you a nice spectrum to kind of work with. So if you have that nice color vehicle and you want to have those nice towels to go along with it, now you know. Our next type of towel is our Waffle Weave material. So the Waffle Weave is a microfiber towel, it's just woven differently. So this one kind of has the strands a little bit more tight, so it does a great job at soaking up water in smaller areas, and it does great for cleaning glass. The reason it does great on cleaning glass is because the surface of the towel has a nice waffle-like texture, which pretty much means that instead of using a soft microfiber towel to clean your glass, all that grime is gonna kind of get accumulated on one border of your towel. Instead of with this one, you have all these funnels that kind of filter the dirt and grime that you're wiping on your glass. So it allows it to kind of fall into the pores of the waffle texture so that you're not, constantly wiping around that ugly, streaky kind of look towards the finish of your glass cleaning process. One thing I did forget to mention is your tag. You want to make sure that you remove these tags because this can also be another thing that can potentially be a factor for scratching and swirling. So always make sure, pro tip, take off your tags before using a brand new microfiber towel, or if you haven't done so already, make sure to do so. All you want to do is simply get it at an angle, pull it right off, you're good to go. And the last towel is your classic Workhorse towel. Now, this towel right here is perfect for all occasions, and we carry them in a variety of colors. This yellow one here that I'm holding is actually meant for interior. This is just a color, guide. This does not mean that you have to follow this. but this for us is just kind of like to help us know which towel is used for what. Like I said, the yellow ones are used for interior. We have brown for, you know, leather, you have black for your wheels, green for your paint, blue for your glass, and gray for metal. And the reason we do it this way is so that here in the shop, we have tons of people that use the towels, and this just kind of gives us all a general understanding of what towel is being used for which. So, you know, one prime example is you never want to use a black towel to wipe down your paint. Why? Because the black towels are dedicated for wheels and tires. As you can imagine, on your wheels, you're working with a lot more contaminated, you know, a lot more contaminants such as, you know, brake dust, debris, grime, oils, filth that get onto those black towels, and you definitely don't want to wipe down to your paint. So with this yellow towel, this just helps me see and understand that this is meant for interior. With these yellow towels, it makes it ideal to use it with an interior quick detailer products such as Inner Clean or Total Interior. You know, you can utilize those products with this towel to clean your interior, to give it a quick wipe down, pick up any dirt, grime, or body oils so that you're not there all day, you know, scrubbing with the brush and giving it more of a maintenance kind of routine wipe down. All right, so now that I've wrapped up all the different types of towels, I do want to mention one thing, and that is to keep your towels separated. You don't want to cross-contaminate your towels because, you know, you don't want to use, or you don't want to wash your, you know, your wheel cleaning towels with your drying towels, because all that grime could potentially get onto your drying towel, and whenever you're drying your vehicle, that could potentially be a factor for scratching and swirling. So we always recommend washing them in different loads or separating them in different categories, such as, you know, less filthy, super filthy, and, you know, not so filthy or not filthy at all. Just separate them, have a factor, or kind of have like an idea of what you're washing with what, because the last thing you want to do is wash the towel that you dropped on the floor and dragged all over the floor with the brand new, you know, drying towel that you just picked up. So keep them separated, wash them separated, have an idea on how you're going to do it, and you should be good, and your towel should, you know, have multiple uses to come. One last thing that I do want to leave you guys with is a pro tip, and that is wash your towels with Microfiber Wash. Microfiber Wash is a specialty microfiber detergent that's citrus-based and hyper-concentrated, which is going to go ahead and break down any kind of waxes, sealants, glazes, and any type of oils that are still remaining on your towels. So you don't make the mistake of washing your towels with a cheap detergent, which is going to go ahead and dry out your microfiber towels or cause them to get hard and very rough. So that's what you don't want. You don't want to spend money on all these microfiber towels and wash them with the wrong product and, you know, render them all useless. So use a product that's going to work out for you and all your towels. Microfiber Wash, look into it. You can check it out in the link in the description. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe so that you see more future videos. And also, you know, let me know if you learned something today. Comment down below if you learned something today, or comment down below if you guys want to see something different on this channel. You know, I'm always excited to do these videos for you guys. So let me know. I want to go ahead and do whatever you guys want to see so that you guys have the best Chemical Guys experience. My name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys Detail Garage. We'll see you guys next time.